Hey everyone, it's Dawn here, and I'm here with my EX30. Show Scott sent me a message, said, hey, they got a new firmware update, and this is the good one. This finally fixes the weird oscillation issues with the EX30. Unfortunately, there's always something wrong. They can't get it 100% right. So what is wrong? You now lose your wheel beeps, and it now has a really loud idle sound. And so I'm like, what? We need our wheel beeps. But he said, okay, you still have your helmet beeps. Okay, fine. I'll live with just the helmet beeps. But idle sound, why would it change the idle sound? It's like, oh, it's just how it delivers the power. So it's now more consistent with delivering power, which we have noticed that it is not good with the power delivery system. So we get better power delivery, but we have to deal with this sound. So then I'm like, okay, whatever. How bad can the sound be, right? All right, I'm going to turn him on. And before, in the past, he's always been fairly quiet, just like all my other wheels, just like how we all expect, all right? Listen to him now. If you'll turn on. Come on. Can you hear that? He sounds horrible. All right, I'm going to turn on my master. This is my dirt master. Silence. That's how he used to sound like. Now, oh my gosh, seriously? We have to listen to this sound? It sounds horrible. It really does. Like, if Show hadn't told me that this is how it should sound, I would think that my wheels broke right now. So anyways, this is a new update. Hopefully they will fix it. It'll make another update, fix it, and make something better. But in the meantime, here's what we got. I'm going to test it out. Tomorrow we have a Marty 80-mile ride, something like that. So I'll be able to test it out more then. Maybe I'll take it around the block today. We'll see if I have time. If you have installed this already, the new update is 500 that ends in 5005. Let me know in the comments. Let me know what you think. Let me know, is it good? Is it worth dealing with this horrible sound now? Anyways, thanks for watching. Oh, another big important point. Don't do the update using EUC app. It has to be EUC World. It has to be done using the Pagode app. If you're like me and you try the EUC World, it will look like it goes through everything, but it doesn't. When you go back into it, it'll still say that it's the 5004 firmware, not the 5005. So you have to disconnect that, go into the Pagode app directly, and then update through there. And how you'll verify that it is because he'll sound like crap like this. All right, so there you go. Thanks for joining me. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, all that good stuff. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.